If your legs have been feeling weaker lately, or if simple movements like standing up, walking, or climbing a few steps have started to feel harder than they used to, it's important to understand this. Weak legs are not always caused by aging. In many cases, they come from missing nutrients that your muscles need at night. Your legs repair themselves while you sleep, especially during deep sleep, when blood flow increases and muscle fibers rebuild from daily stress. But if your body doesn't have the right nutrients during these nighttime repair hours, your muscles cannot recover properly. That's when you start waking up with stiff legs, poor balance, more fatigue, and even nighttime cramps that interrupt your sleep. The good news is that your legs can become stronger again if you give your body the correct nutrients before bed. There are 5 essential vitamins that work together to rebuild muscle, improve relaxation, reduce cramps, and support better balance for people over 50. When taken at the right time, right before sleep, your muscles finally get what they need to repair and grow stronger. And here's the first vitamin your legs need every night: magnesium glycinate. Magnesium glycinate is one of the most important nutrients for people over 50 who struggle with weak legs, nighttime cramps, or muscles that feel tight and uncomfortable. Magnesium plays a central role in more than 300 processes in the body, and many of these are directly involved in muscle relaxation and muscle repair. When your magnesium levels are low, calcium becomes trapped inside your muscle cells and forces them to stay contracted instead of releasing. This is the main reason why so many seniors experience sudden, painful leg cramps during the night. Magnesium glycinate helps stop this cycle by allowing your muscles to relax fully, release tension, and enter the deep restorative phase your body depends on while you sleep. The glycinate form is especially effective because it's highly absorbable and gentle on the stomach, making it ideal for older adults. Unlike other forms of magnesium, it does not cause digestive discomfort, and it remains active throughout the night. Taking magnesium glycinate before bed can significantly reduce cramps, improve sleep quality, and support the rebuilding of muscle fibers damaged during the day. Over time, this helps your legs feel lighter, stronger, and more stable when you wake up in the morning. The second important vitamin your legs need is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is essential for keeping your legs strong, energized, and responsive, especially as you get older. With age, your body becomes less efficient at absorbing B12 from food, which means many adults over 50 develop a deficiency without realizing it. B12 plays a major role in producing red blood cells, and these cells are responsible for carrying oxygen to your leg muscles. When your B12 levels are low, your muscles receive less oxygen, making your legs feel heavy, tired, and weak even during simple activities. Low B12 also slows muscle recovery, which is why your legs may fatigue faster or feel unstable throughout the day. Another key role of vitamin B12 is supporting healthy nerve function. Your nerves act like communication lines between your brain and your muscles. When these signals weaken, your reaction time becomes slower, your balance declines, and the risk of stumbling or falling increases. Many seniors mistake these symptoms for normal aging, but they are often early signs of B12 deficiency. Taking vitamin B12 before bed helps restore nerve strength and improves oxygen delivery, allowing your legs to wake up feeling more energetic and stable. The third important vitamin your legs need is vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 plays a crucial role in directing calcium to the right places in your body, especially to your bones, where it belongs. As people age, calcium often starts to build up in the wrong places, inside muscles, blood vessels, and soft tissues. When this happens, your legs can feel stiff, tight, and heavy, and your joints may become more uncomfortable. Vitamin K2 prevents this by activating special proteins that guide calcium away from your muscles and blood vessels and back into your bones. This helps keep your legs flexible, strong, and able to move without resistance or pain. Another powerful benefit of vitamin K2 is how it works together with vitamin D3. While D3 helps your body absorb calcium, K2 ensures that the calcium goes into your bones instead of settling in your muscles or arteries. Without enough K2, calcium can build up where it shouldn't, causing muscle stiffness, weaker contractions, and reduced mobility. Taking vitamin K2 before bed supports the natural nighttime repair cycle of your muscles and bones, helping your legs stay strong and steady. Over time, this can lead to better balance, smoother movement, and less discomfort when walking or standing. The fourth important vitamin your legs need is vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 plays a vital role in helping your body convert the protein you eat into the building blocks your muscles need for repair and growth. As people age, their ability to absorb and use protein becomes less efficient, which means muscles may not receive the materials they need to stay strong. Vitamin B6 supports this process by improving protein metabolism, ensuring your leg muscles can rebuild properly during the night. Without enough B6, muscle recovery slows down, leading to morning stiffness, fatigue, and a feeling of heaviness in the legs. Vitamin B6 also plays an important part in producing serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that help regulate sleep. Better sleep means deeper restoration, and deeper restoration means stronger, healthier leg muscles. When your sleep cycle is supported by enough B6, your legs receive more time and resources to repair the stress and micro-damage accumulated throughout the day. Another key benefit is that vitamin B6 works closely with magnesium. Together, they help relax muscles, reduce nighttime cramps, and improve nerve communication. Taking vitamin B6 before bed ensures that your muscles get the full support they need for overnight recovery, helping you wake up with legs that feel more flexible, energized, and ready for the day. The fifth important vitamin your legs need is vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is one of the most powerful nutrients for maintaining strong, balanced legs, especially as you age. After age 50, your skin becomes far less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight, which means your muscles may not be receiving the support they need. Vitamin D3 helps activate the genes responsible for muscle growth and repair, allowing your leg muscles to rebuild after daily activity. Without enough D3, these repair signals become weaker, and your muscles struggle to respond, leading to slower movements, reduced power, and decreased confidence when standing or walking. Another critical function of vitamin D3 is supporting your fast-twitch muscle fibers. These fibers are responsible for quick movements, balance corrections, and the ability to catch yourself if you stumble. When D3 levels are low, these fibers weaken more quickly, increasing the risk of falls. Taking vitamin D3 before bed ensures your body has access to it during the peak repair hours of the night, especially between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., when muscle recovery is at its highest. Over time, consistent vitamin D3 intake can lead to stronger legs, improved balance, better coordination, and a noticeable boost in energy when you move throughout the day. The final step to strengthening your legs is understanding how to use these vitamins consistently every night. Taking the right nutrients before bed allows your body to repair your leg muscles during the exact hours when recovery is at its peak. To get the best results, take all 5 vitamins: magnesium glycinate, vitamin B12, vitamin K2, vitamin B6, and vitamin D3, about 30 to 60 minutes before going to sleep. Your muscles need steady support, so consistency is more important than anything else. Skipping nights means skipping repair cycles, and that slows down your progress. When you take these vitamins regularly, you give your body the tools it needs to rebuild muscle fibers, calm nerve signals, improve balance, and restore strength. For even better results, combine this nighttime routine with light daytime movement. Simple exercises like seated leg lifts, calf raises, short walks, or chair squats help send your muscles a signal to grow. When these activities are paired with the nutrients your body receives at night, your legs can become stronger in just a few weeks. With time, you may notice fewer cramps, better stability, and more confidence when walking or standing. Your legs have carried you through many years of life. Now it's time to give them the support they need to carry you through many more.